ፓወርፖይንት አዘጋጅታችሁ ከ1 ሚሊዮን በላይ ሰዎች የተሰበሰቡበት ቦታ ላይ ፕሬዘንት እንድታረጉ ተጋብዛችሁ። What are you gonna do? Are you gonna say no and shouting and just ሊያልባችሁ ነው፣ ልባችሁ እየመታ ነው and አእምሯችሁ crazy እየሆናችሁ ነው and everything is እያላባችሁ ነው ምናምን ነገር? I don't care about your age. I don't care about your career. I don't care about your profession. I don't care about you. I just need you to become a great public speaker. እዚህ ቁጭ ያልኩት እዚህ ያለሁት ይሄንን ቪዲዮ እየሰራሁት ያለሁት just to make you a great public speaker. That's it. Done. And I will show you the basic steps how you become a great public speaker. Just let us start. መጀመሪያ